Catherine Bernardo update. Yung congrats kay Catherine. Nawagi siya bilang Best Actress for film na Lola bigyan sa 6 Alta Media Icon Awards. Yung congrats. So ito pa nominated si Catherine sa 7 BP Choice Award biglang Sense Influential Star Sexiest of the Year. And first place, yun know. Ito pa yung abangan kay Catherine. And someone special is joining Madame Tussauds and Hong Kong red carpet, yun know. Ayan, abangan si Catherine dyan sa red carpet. Ito pa yung behind the scene ni Catherine for Colgate. Ayan, nakita rin si Catherine, ayan, si Marian saka si Ding Dong during awards. So ito pa yung endorsement ni Catherine. Uratex, and maganda, sarap matulog yan pag naka Uratex. Saka ito rin, ayan, IB Day, ayan, ni Catherine, ayan, nag-IB rin, ayan, si Ate Tin, saka si Lexin, ayan ang mga session nila, IB Protege kay Catherine, at IB Aerolace naman ay kay Lexin, Family Bernardo. IB Day ng Family Bernardo. Tapos si Mami Min ayun din, no? Nasa IB Clinic din. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is With Your Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.